Thinking about building your brand on LinkedIn? Creating a LinkedIn company page is the first step, and it only takes a few minutes. Here's how to do it. First, log into LinkedIn from your browser. At the top right, click for Business. From the drop-down, scroll down and select Create a Company Page. LinkedIn will ask what type of page you want to create. Choose Company Page. Next, fill in your company details. Enter your company name. Choose your LinkedIn public URL. Add your website, industry, and organization type. Upload your company logo and add a short tagline. Confirm that you're an authorized representative of the company, then click Create Page. That's it. Your LinkedIn company page is live. Once your page is created, you can customize it further. Add a banner image, write your About section, include company details, and start posting content just like you would on a personal profile. Your company page will also appear under your profile's Experience section, showing visitors the businesses you're connected to. Now here's where it gets powerful. When you're on LinkedIn and want to engage with posts, click into the comment box. Use the drop-down under the comment field to switch from your personal profile to your company page. From there, you can like posts, leave comments, reply to conversations, and post updates, all as your brand. And when you pair your company page with evyAI, you can generate comments, replies, and posts that sound professional, on-brand, and consistent, without writing everything from scratch. With evyAI, your LinkedIn company page becomes a powerful tool for visibility, engagement, and brand growth.